Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Doing a review video today on JH Cosmetics. We are filming the Jaclynhill Cosmetics brand new So Rich lipsticks. Yes, 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 yes. Which is why I have nothing on my lips. I can't explain to you how excited I am. I love that there are brands out there and products out there that literally give me this much life. So I'm living for it. I'm all about it. And I even did a smoky eye, a warm smoky eye in honor of JH, in honor of Jaclyn, even though as you guys know, I never wear eyeshadow. So you know I'm excited. You know I'm excited when I wear eyeshadow. So I have been waiting for a century for these products. Like, it's been a week since the launch, okay? There were people who are receiving their products like a day or two after they bought them, even with standard shipping, and I was shitting my pants. Like, where are my fucking products? Like, do you understand how hard it is to sit there and watch other people open their packages? Oh my god, I was literally dying. So I've been waiting patiently and patiently and patiently, and they finally came yesterday, and I didn't even swatch them yet. That is how much I love you guys. I did not even swatch them. I opened them, okay? I opened it, I looked at it, but I did not put it on because I barely even smelt it, because I really wanted to give an authentic first impression. So they literally have been taunting me, sitting right here next to me, staring at me, looking at me, judging me, loving me, hating me. It's been really dramatic. Do I need more blush? I look like a freak with no lips on. Yeah, I have nothing on my lips. I think I just have like a little bit of highlighter that kind of bled into my lips. And I have my makeup remover right here, so I'm going to swatch each one. I did put like a little bit of liner on, just like a nude liner. And let's get into it. First of all, I love the minimalistic packaging. It came in this. I think all companies should ship like this. It's less weight, it's less product, it's less waste. Did I already say that? It's like a branded bag, so you can see like her logo is all over that. So I love that. A lot of thought clearly went into this, right? You open this up and I got Nude Moment, which was one of the trios. I just think it's adorable how much work she put into this. Like, look at the tufting on the packaging. Do you see how that's textured? I mean, literally just so much thought went into this. I think it's adorbs. This is Kylie Cosmetic vibes, obviously, but like everyone's doing this now. I got the Nude Moment. The Nude Moment was like the second lightest. Not like the lightest, but the second lightest. Like, I wanted to go like as light as possible, but the reality is that this hairspray is amazing. The reality is that when you're pale, you actually cannot wear those nude shades. You have to wear something a little bit darker. It's more complimentary. Yeah. So you have to wear like a little bit of a darker shade. So these are my perfect nudes, and I still have it in my head. Like, I used to be tan all the time, and like, I'm just like, girl, you're not tan anymore. You can't go for the lightest light. So you have to go for like the medium light. That's the trick. If you're a pale bitch and you don't go tanning and you don't get spray tanned, you need this like little bit of a darker nude. This is a new revelation. They are so cute. They come looking like this, and you open it up and same. This guy outside's cutting the grass. Like, bitch, don't you know I got shit going on? So 3 little packages, 3 little lipsticks, and each one as detail oriented as the next. These are also textured with that like tufting Like it's like Chanel, like that like tufting look. Is that what it's called? Anyways, I'm just gonna get these on my face because I'm so excited and I look weird. So look at the detail that went into this. Like this, the textured box, like all these things cost money. And even like the metal reflecting, like that costs money for her to do. It costs money, all of this. And I just love the detail that went into this. I think it's adorable how much attention to detail she put into this. This is what it says: cream meets shine with this rich pout perfecting lipstick that's filled with buttery goodness. I hope I like them. What if I'm like hyping it up and I'm like, these are a flop? So this is the component. It is, I think it's metal. It feels very, very light. It's, you know what it is? It's plastic in the inside and metal in the outside. It feels good quality. Her initials are on it. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this one is Batgirl. It's pretty. This is, I already knew this from the photos. This one's going to be my least favorite. I'm not like a pinky type of person, but this is, what does it smell like? It smells like, it is, dude, it's so reminiscent. I think it's like Revlon or L'Oreal uses the same scent. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's a very light peachy pink. Let's zoom you in. I mean, it went on flawlessly. It looks good on camera. Let's see if it looks good in real life. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty. It's just like not what I would normally go to, but like these trios, like you couldn't mix and match. And looking at the photos, I was like, I knew this was going to be my least favorite, but I went with it. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to swatch the next one. Alright, the next one I'm going to swatch is Perfectionist. Open. I'm afraid my camera's going to overheat. I live in constant fear that my camera's going to overheat. Son of a cunt. It's pretty. Oh wow, this one smells different. This one smells more vanilla. This one kind of smelled like a baby doll. This one smells a little different. This is pretty. I wish it was a little bit more brown, honestly. Let me zoom you in. Also kind of pinky. I wish it was a little bit more brown, but the formula goes on well. Maybe it's because I put foundation underneath it. I don't know. It turned out a little bit pink. Let's swatch it on my hand. I was hoping to get a replica of Candy K. It's kind of what it looks like on my hand. But I really like the formula. It goes on nice, it's cushiony. It doesn't take like a lot of like precision. You can kind of just throw it on, and it's a pretty shade. It's a pretty easy shade to wear. I mean, it looks decent. I was just hoping for something a little bit more brown. I really like this shade. I'm looking at it now. I like it. It's pretty. I can get used to this. I just wish it was a little bit more brown, but you know, this is still really pretty. It reminds me of my Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Super similar, actually. This is Pillow Talk, and this is Perfectionist. Okay, on to the next one is Sophia. This one is the most brown out of all of them. I'll swatch them on my hand too so you guys can see. I didn't put any foundation underneath my lips, so let's see how this goes. Ooh, There we go. Ooh. This is pretty. Super pink still. It's okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, that looks pretty sloppy. It does kind of look sloppy on camera because I just winged it, like real talk, but I like it, to be honest. I mean, literally, it's not what I was expecting. I wish these were a little bit more brown, but they're like reading very, very pink. When I put them on my lips, it's like they turn kind of pink, and I'm not about that pink lip life. I'm about like more of like a brownie pink. Like one of my favorite nudes of all time is Kylie Cosmetics Candy K, and I was looking for a dupe of that. This is Candy K right there. So you can see it's like a little bit more mauve, but like these ones look more terracotta, so I was hoping it'd be like more of a terracotta, and to be honest, on camera it does kind of look terracotta, but in person it's like pretty pink. But I like that it's almost like the color of my lips. And I know she did say that a couple times, that Sophia, so this is Sophia, that this would be like the color closest to her lip color. I think that was that. Maybe it was Perfectionist. But yeah, so that is that. Overall, the formula is amazing. The components are amazing. A lot of attention to detail went into this. I wish they were a little bit more neutral toned or a little bit more beigey toned. These are very kind of like a cool toned pink, a little bit. But in general, I really like it. I'm about this life. I'm about Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I'm super excited for her, and I'll play around with these too. You know, I'll mix them with some different liners to see like, and different makeup looks to see like what really looks good with them. But I'm excited to play around with them. I think they're really good neutrals for the summer. You can just like wear mascara and one of these lipsticks and like you're good to go, you know. So I'm wearing Sophia, and I'm just gonna do swatches on my hand. So let's see if I can do this. This is that girl. This is awkward. Oh, this is that girl right here. Can you see that? Okay. It's like a peachy pink. Very peachy. I wish it was a little bit less peachy, but I told you, I took one for the team on that girl. And it's still cute for certain occasions. Okay, this one is Perfectionist. So a little bit of like a, this is like a little bit more of like a terracotta undertone. A little bit of like more of like a brown undertone, a little bit deeper than that girl. This closely resembles Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and it also kind of closely resembles Candy K, except for look how dark Candy K dries. Yeah. And then last but not least, this is Sophia. The one I'm wearing. Ooh, this takes so much focus. Okay, there we go. So you can see the different nuances between each one. Sophia's my fave. It's like a brown, pinky brown. Yeah, I like it a lot, to be honest. But I'm super excited. Loves them. I like how it looks. And okay, don't forget to subscribe, loves. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.